Today, find out how to get better gas mileage. Also, find out how we use Lucas upper cylinder lubricant. We'll also be protecting the engine. That's right, the combustion chamber, with no lubrication above the upper piston rings. So, it also includes injector cleaners, fuel conditioners, to make your fuel last even longer. Lucas says add 3 ounces for every 10 gallons. An overtreat will not hurt. That's right, a couple extra ounces definitely won't hurt anything. And as I said, you want to make sure that you get protection to your engine if you want it to last a long time. So let's go ahead and add this Lucas to our fuel tank. And guys, this definitely will not hurt your catalytic converters or oxygen sensor. So I've took a knife and I just cut the tip of the bottle right here at an angle. This way there's definitely no need for a funnel the way the bottle is made. Lucas does claim to be a fuel saver, but if you've ever seen a compression test, you've seen the wet test to find out if the rings are worn. There's an ounce or so of oil added to each cylinder to see if this in fact changes compression. Well, this stuff isn't quite as thick as oil, but it does have a high viscosity and it's clean, so it will burn clean, unlike engine oil. A couple of ounces is definitely going to make the difference in the wear and tear. If you lack in compression, this is going to help out with that as well. Now that I've added the Lucas to the tank, we'll go ahead and insert our fuel cap back in. Guys, I'll make sure to include in the description below where you can find this and for more information. Thank you guys for watching Nate's Interactive Auto. Don't forget to check out my previous tests for the fuel consumption and does these products actually work.